Food burning or sticking in your cooker? Fix it fast. The Possible Cooker is non-stick, but without the right setup, meals can scorch. Here's how to stop it. Step 1. Always start with liquid. Dry heating is the fastest way to burn food. For slow cooking or braising, add at least 1 cup, about 250 milliliters, of broth, stock, or sauce before you start. Step 2. Layer ingredients smartly. Put dense foods like meat or root vegetables at the bottom and lighter items on top. This keeps heat distributed and prevents hot spots that cause sticking. Be cautious with dairy or sugary sauces. They scorch faster than most ingredients, so keep them higher up in the pot or stir them in later. Step 3. Stir when searing or sautéing. On sear sauté, food can catch if it sits too long. Stir regularly with a heat-safe silicone spatula. I've linked the one I use in the description. It scrapes the base clean without scratching the nonstick coating. Step 4. Cook with the lid closed. Leaving the lid off during slow cooking drives off moisture, making sauces thicken and burn. Keep the lid on so steam condenses back into the pot. Step 5. Clean gently after each use. If food does stick, soak the pot in warm water and wipe with a non-abrasive cloth. Avoid metal scrubbers that can damage the coating and make future sticking worse. If food still burns even with liquid, layering, and lid use, the unit may need service. Use the support link in the description before your next cook. If this helped you stop scorching, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need a silicone spatula, I've linked the one I use below. It scrapes clean without scratching, so your pot stays non-stick longer. Thanks for watching, and stick less, enjoy more.